Hello everyone. In this video I'll explain that how we can show desktop icons like computer user files, network, control panel on our freshly installed Windows. Whenever we install a new Windows in our system, then only one icon is showing on our desktop, that is recycle bin. If we want to enable other icons, then right click anywhere on your desktop, go to personalize, then click on themes from left hand side panel. Then go to desktop icon settings under related settings. Now here are the icons which I can enable on my desktop. Computer, user files, network, control panel. I want to enable all these icons, therefore I'll put a check mark beside each icon. Computer, user files, network, control panel. Now I'll click apply and OK. Now all these icons will start showing on my desktop. Thank you for watching this video.